it's Trivia here, and it's Saturday morning. I'm in the Bronx right now. My mom asked me to come and do her makeup for her, but she's still at work. I got there a little bit early, so I said, let me stop by the supermarket and get some smoked turkey because I wanted to make some palm nut soup for dinner when I get home. So yeah, so stop by the supermarket to get some smoked turkey. Yes. Hey guys, so I'm at my mom's place right now, and I'm gonna set up my makeup stuff, and then she's taking her bath, and then I'll start with her makeup. It's about 10 o'clock and they have to leave. They have to leave the house. They have to be at the venue at 12 o'clock, so good timing. I'm gonna do her makeup. I mean, so also back wedding in design or by stylist. So no, I got so here extra I show up by stylist. I'm come on, I'm in my dear man. Maybe I was saying, guys, I'm going back up because my mom forgot her phone, so I have to go back up to pick up. But I did her makeup and she said she didn't like it. She thought I put too much eyeshadow on her face, so she took some off. So she just went to the bathroom and did her own thing. So I'm like, okay. And just being honest. So yeah, I'll try to take a full video of her dress, of her going. Came all the way here and she didn't like her. Auntie Comfort, why I say? Hey!
You want to drive?
I'm in town. Why I say? So I am home and I'm making my palm nut soup. So I have my protein here. I have some cow feet, smoked turkey, and I'm about to put some fish in here. I have my smoked turkey here and some beef. And my palm nut is cooking right here. This is
I'm making palm nut soup. Ghana we call it palm nut soup. Nigerians you call it banga soup. So yeah, this is already done. The palm nut is done, so I'm going to transfer it here.
Guys, it's Sunday. My friend invited me to their church. So I'm going to Yonkers right now. My train is coming, so later. Thank you.
And I got you. How much you want to
Hi guys, I'm on my way to visit my friend's church. I got invited to a church in Yonkers, so I am going there. And so the name of the church I'm going to is United Worship Cathedral. It's a conference they're having, and the guest speaker is Prophet Nana Kwame from Toronto, Canada. Yes guys, so I'm going.
Set your eyes on him wherever you are. And just begin to open up your mouth and just pray this prayer. Begin to open up your mouth and thank him for your life.
Means had it not been God on my side, had it not been God on my side, had it not been God on the side of some of us, and can you, it means it wouldn't have been good. And because the same God that has made somebody as somebody, that has made some people, some of us, and living testimony that you witnessed, because you were here entering those gates, he will give you your own song. I know we're taking time today.
Chapel in Toronto, Canada. A man deeply anointed. His life is a living testament of the power of God's grace, mercy, and divine calling. Born in Ghana and migrated to Canada in April of 1998, at the age of 12, Prophet Kwame's journey began, like many others, navigating life, school, and purpose in a new country.
So how come you welcome me with the same fire? Or you don't like me? Welcome me with some fire. Welcome me with some fire too. Me too. I deserve fire. was so painful to the fact that you just lost the husband. Now you have also lost a son. Bible says everybody was wailing. That the way everybody was wailing, Jesus asked, what is going on? How come everybody in the city is wailing? And information came to Jesus, and they said, a woman who is a widow that just lost the husband has also lost the son, and we are about to go and bury her. And Bible said Jesus, looking at the way everybody was laughing, crying at the gate, he looked at them and said, no. I am the Ancient of Days. I am the I am that I am. I am the one that giveth life. I am the one that taketh life. Call me that woman and bring me that pew right now. Bible said immediately they brought the body and the coffin of this young man at the gate to Jesus. And Jesus stood at the gate and said, you have come out of the gate. You have transcended from the city that killed you, but you have entered into another realm where there is life, because you have met life. I came here this morning to tell somebody that if life is beating you in New York, and you have left the gate, and you have left your cities to come to this church, there is grace available in this church. There is Jesus available in this church. That whatever you left at home, as you walk through your gate and your doors to come here, I pray for you tonight.
You will have the church worship Saturday. And what about the others?
Guys, church is over. Church was good and fun. Do you have the cone? Yeah, give me the middle one. The other one. No, the other one. Guys, it is hot. We couldn't make it to the train that came. It was so crowded, so we gotta wait for the next train. This is how busy it gets, how crowded it gets in 161st when you're trying to catch the D. Guys, I am back home. Hi. I am back home from church, guys. I am tired and sweaty. I was smushed in the train by a bunch of men and kids. Not that much women. That came from the Yankee game. And but the train was like full and everybody was smushed in there like sardines. I'm gonna take me a nice quick shower and tell you how my weekend went. Today's Sunday, so around 6 p.m. So later, guys.